Are you tired of spam and marketing emails filling up your inbox? Let's get started with this Gmail feature to clean it up. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, open your Gmail and on the search bar type in unsubscribe. Here you'll find all the emails with the word unsubscribe. Now you have to tap in this options or called as search options. Tap on it and then click on create filter. Hereby you have to tick on apply the label. On the choose label, you can either create a new one or choose already created one. After that, you also have to tap in also apply filter to matching conversations. Now click on create filter. After this, all of your emails has been changed to the label. Now you just have to tap on your label, and to delete and free up the space, just type in select all and then delete all the messages that were subscribed before. And this way you can save your inbox. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.